In this video, I am going to show you how to apply watermark to your document, and I'll specifically show you how to apply a custom watermark. So if you want to learn how to apply custom watermark to your document, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's get started. Having opened the document I want to apply watermark to, I'll head over to Design. Then I'll go to Page Background Group. Now choose Watermark. I could decide to use any of these templates you are seeing here by just clicking on one, and you see the watermark there. I don't need my document in 2 pages. I'll just correct it in a moment by clicking here, delete. Okay, so you see the watermark behind there, and this will not obstruct your text in any way. When you print, everything will appear clearly. But this is not what I want. I want to apply custom watermark. Custom watermark means I want to insert my own text. So I go back to Watermark, then I click on Custom Watermark. Now in here, under Text Watermark, I go to Text, and I remove what is there, then enter my own text. So I'll say Fuku Home Michito. Then I click on OK, and it is right there. Now what if I don't want this gray color here? I can go back to Watermark, Custom Watermark, then under Color, I drop down the arrow and choose the color I want, maybe blue. Then I click on OK. Perfect. I can also change the font of my watermark. I head back to Watermark, Custom Watermark, then under font, it is Calibri by default. I'll draw down the arrow, then in here I can choose any font I want. Maybe I want to go with Area Black, then OK. You see that. And looking at the watermark, you see that it is kind of faded. I can make it stand out by going back to Watermark, Custom Watermark, and then in here I can uncheck semi-transparent. Just click it, then OK. You see that my watermark is a bit bolder. I can also change the layout of my watermark. Currently it is diagonal. I'll go back to Watermark, Custom Watermark, then Layout, I choose horizontal, then I click on OK. And this one is not nice, so I'll stick to the diagonal. So I go back to Watermark, Custom Watermark, diagonal, and OK. So this is how we apply watermark in Microsoft Word. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by clicking on like. Also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel just like this one, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and we will talk soon.